Aerial view, steep Japanese mountains, tiny farmland strips below, morning mist. Flooded rice paddies in a narrow valley. Pale sky reflection, lone farmer at edge. Hands pressing rice seedlings into muddy water, soft light, blurred rows behind. Ancient village, thatched huts, rice paddies, hand-dug water channels, amber light. Feudal lord on ridge, vast rice fields below, farmers working, dramatic low angle. Farmer kneeling at paddy edge, examining soil, handwritten journal beside him. Meiji-era brick experiment station. Japanese scholars studying crop rows, afternoon light. Lone post-war farmer, overgrown neglected field, hand plow, gray sky, muted tones. Farmers inside JA cooperative, examining crop samples and reports, warm interior light. White-gloved hands lifting one perfect strawberry, pristine greenhouse, soft diffused light. Lettuce rows under pink LED lights, robotic arms moving, futuristic greenhouse. Stacked hydroponic trays, technician inspecting seedlings, purple LED glow. Drone over flooded rice paddies, golden dawn light, mist rising. Soil sensor in dark wet earth, small lights glowing, rice stalks behind. Farmer holding tablet with crop health map, paddy field behind, warm light. Stone irrigation channel, clear water flowing, mountain rice terraces, morning light. Gloved hands holding rice grains over lab tray, microscope beside. Robotic arm gripping ripe strawberry on vine, camera scanning, greenhouse. Autonomous tractor at dusk, headlights on, straight tillage lines behind. Ducks waiting in flooded rice paddy, farmer watching from path, golden light. Elderly farmer cutting rice by hand, golden paddy field, sunrise, misty mountains. Ubery melon in white luxury box, white gloved hands beside, soft spotlight. Perfect strawberry held in white gloves, warm greenhouse light, green background. Drone above, small family farm. Straight crop rows, lone farmer below. Farmer holding tablet with satellite crop map. Paddy field behind, daylight. Ancient irrigation channel flowing through rice terraces, soft morning light. Young farmer kneeling in soil. Smartphone showing crop data, golden light. Sleek greenhouse in UAE desert. Green crops glowing inside, harsh sunlight. African farmer holding tablet with disease alert, bright sunlight, blue sky. Lone farmer in golden rice terraces at sunset, facing away, mountain valley.